write about it. And then have the aesthetic professional process about it. And then develop and reflect on personal and cultural ethical position when reviewing motion picture. At least when you can decide, remember I said two people can look at the film differently. Somebody is looking at the ethical composition of that film. Look at no, there's a film by T.K. I think I wrote something on that paper on that film. This film, Thunderbolts. How many of you have watched Thunderbolts? I've watched Thunderbolts. But you know, when I wrote about ethics in that film, because I used deontology and then which one again? There are 3 different ethical theory on that film. So you should be able to also look at the film and can decide to look at it from the ethics perspective and say this one is not right. This one it should have been like this. I have a film too like that. When I talk about it, I look at it from October 1st. How many of you have watched October 1st? Yes. You know, in that film, there's something that Kone did that he didn't do it right. If you had reversed it to the other way, it could have caused problems in this country. You don't really need to say he's a priest. That is a problem. They don't know.
I like that.
If you say imam, you know that's one that cause fire. It's because Christians are more tolerant. So, so you don't need to. You can use something else. You can say a teacher.
It happens in real life.
Rather than go the way we are religious in this country. So you have to avoid all those things that have to do with religion. It's not right. So that's one thing I have against that. Okay, so our assessments. Okay, we have a class participation. That's why it's good to come with your name tag and then ask questions. And this is what I tell my students. You know, this is the first time I'm teaching you. If somebody is teaching you anything, if you don't understand anything, please don't keep silent. You can call me and say, please, can you repeat this one? I don't understand. I will. The reason why I'm here is for you to understand. So don't join. Do you understand?
Yes.
You are doing yourself. So don't join that. So participate. And then if you have maybe you watch a film, let's talk about it. Or you watch a film that I think maybe you should watch it. Although I want to reduce the number of films that we watch in this class. Last year, I think we watched quite some films every class week. That time I asked that the class should be 3 hours, so that we do analysis 1 hour and we watch a film 1 hour, 2 hours. But this time around, we limit the number of films so that we can concentrate, because those films will come out in the exams.
Oh, T.
It's film analysis, so you have to. So the participation and make sure you engage in the class and then read books. If you go to the library, you find books on film analysis, and then also screening. Screening will be doing screening here, watching some films, and the class discussion. Yes, discuss and about sharing your ideas. You can share your ideas and questioning learning materials and making a connection with the topic. So you have to, when we deal with the topic and then you are watching a film, that topic that will, all those things that we say, try to find it in that film that we watch. And that's how you can improve your analysis skill. And then we all know that 80%. If you don't come to class, I can't tell you. And then so 80% is the attendance of the class. And then once it's 9 a.m., don't bother to don't read you come second period. That will be fine, so that we won't fight. And then you know about academic honesty, right?